children, today we are going to start with chapter 8, that is MS Paint. So in this chapter, I will tell you about the Microsoft Paint, like we do drawing on the drawing paper. So like this, we have a program in your computer which helps you to draw different things. So let's see, I have drawn a flower vase and can you help me to choose the color? ठीक है, इसने क्या करा है, फ्लावर का वेस बनाया है and here you have to do the different colors. So how you will do the colors, that I will tell you. So open the MS Paint, shapes group, select tool, text tool, polygon tool, curve tool. All these are the different things that I will tell you in this chapter. So what is MS Paint? It's a drawing tool in a Windows series. It is used for drawing pictures and coloring them on the screen of the computer. You have already learned about the Paint program in the previous class. Let's learn some more. So I will tell you how you will start the MS Paint. So here are some steps given. Let's study all the steps one by one. First is you will go to the start button and select all program, right? And afterward you will go to the click on accessories. आप accessories पे जाएंगे तो आपको बहुत सारे यहाँ पे ऐसे options दिखाई देंगे. You will double click on the Paint program and like this Paint window will appear, right? This is a Paint window. And here we have menu bar. This is title bar. This complete is your ribbon. Right? Next is a number of things are required. भाई आपको start करने से पहले बहुत सारी चीजों की drawing, like you need a toolbox. And here the toolbox fulfill that all that you need. The ribbon is divided into clipboard, image, tool, shape, size and color. So we have clipboard, this is image, tools, different shapes, size and color grid, right? All these things are required. Now shape group. What is shape group? You will notice that different shapes are available. वहाँ पे आपको अलग-अलग shapes, rectangle, polygon, circle, line, different shapes are available, right? You can use these shapes to draw a rectangle. Now you want to draw a rounded rectangle tool. So आप क्या कर सकते हो? This tool is used to draw rectangle or square with rounded corners. First step is आप जाएंगे, you will use this rounded rectangle tool and now you can draw a rectangle. Select a width, आपको जितना मोटा जितना पतला draw करना है, you can see that and you can draw. Now select the color. Now we have different colors available there and you may select the different color. आप blue चाहते हैं, red, yellow, green, whatever color you want, you can draw the rectangle of the same color. Now polygon tool. To draw a polygon, you will select the polygon tool from the icon. आप जैसे ही polygon icon पे जाएंगे, here is the polygon icon and you can draw the polygon by dragging the mouse button. Now select the width, जितना आप मोटा पतला चाहते हैं. And whatever color you want to select, you can select like this in the image. You can see that it has red color selected and the polygon is drawn in red color. Next is curve tool. Now you can use the different curved lines to draw the different things, like click on the curve tool. Step 2, select the width and thickness, कितना मोटा कितना पतला आप चाहते हैं. And then you may select the color. Like here, it has chosen the green color and it is drawn in green color. Now we have select tool. It is used to select a drawing or a part of drawing. अगर आप कोई drawing या part of drawing select करना चाहते हैं, you can move the selected part of your drawing to the other location. आप चाहते हैं उसको दूसरी location पे ले जाना तो आप ले जा सकते हैं by using the select. So hold the left button and drag the mouse diagonally and select the object. Release the mouse button. The part of drawing in a rectangular region will be selected. तो वही पार्ट ऑफ ड्राइंग क्या होगी, आपकी सेलेक्ट हो जाएगी. अब आप उसे ड्रैग कर देना चाहते हैं दूसरे लोकेशन पे सेलेक्टेड पार्ट को, तो आप ड्रैग. नेक्स्ट इज मैग्नीफायर टूल. मींस द व्हाटएवर ड्राइंग यू हैव मेड, आप उसको बड़े साइज में देख सकते हैं, राइट? तो सेलेक्ट द मैग्नीफायर. यहाँ पे मैग्नीफायर टूल है, आप इसका यूज करके एक रेक्टेंगुलर बॉक्स आपका अपीयर होगा स्क्रीन पे. मूव दिस रेक्टेंगुलर बॉक्स टू द पोर्शन जो भी आप मैग्नीफाई करना चाहते हैं एंड देन यू विल क्लिक योर. You can see the slider button will move towards the 200%. Next is text tool. It is used to write something. अब आपने कुछ draw करा है, अब आप वहाँ पे क्या करना चाहते हो, कोई text लिखना चाहते हो, तो you will go to the text tool, you will select it and you can write the text, drag the mouse, whatever size you want to write, you can choose the size and you can write here. Type the text of your choice and press enter. Like I am India, it says step 3. Next is to save the picture in the MS Paint. Now you want to save the picture, you will click on the file menu. आप यहाँ पे file menu यहाँ पे जाएंगे, right? Then select the drop down list will appear. You may select and save and click. जैसे आप save और click पे click करोगे, like this your window will be saved. आप save as option पे जाओगे, give the name to your drawing, अपने drawing को name दोगे and then click the save button. If there is no name given, एक untitled नाम से आपकी फाइल क्या हो जाती है, सेव हो जाती है. So this was all about the MS Paint. Hope you understood. Now we will meet in the next class. That's all for today. Thank you.